Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving. It's cold and it's kind of snowy. We do have some snow on the ground and we're supposed to get more snow come Friday through Sunday. They say possibly, well, who knows? We're on that line again. 3 to 6, up to 8 inches. Who knows? It's Wisconsin. So the reason I'm out here today is we're going to start working on my basement. And it is an unfinished basement. However, it's got like music equipment, crafts, storage for all our seasonal stuff. And I'm actually going to take one section of it and make it more like a plant room, aquatic room. So during the winter time, sorry, the dogs are barking, they're playing. It'll be like a plant and aquatic room. And since obviously we can't grow anything now out here, we're going to have an indoor little paradise. So we got a little bit of snow and the dogs, they love it. They think it's great to play out here, but yeah, I'm kind of like, guys, it's cold, let's go back inside. So we don't stay out very long. There's the moment where I was like, I should have did this when it was warmer out and there was no snow. I should have moved all this stuff and I didn't. I want to take this in the basement with me. So let's go ahead and try to get all this back in the garage and in the basement. We got that moved. I need to get the extra dirt off of the edges. There's some dirt. Let me show you that. Yeah, dirt, snow, leaves. So, alrighty. Got that moved at least up here so I can move it into the garage here soon, today sometime before it snows again. And then I'm gonna work on my basement. I actually ordered 2 standing grow lights, and I do have a few plants at the flower shop that I'm gonna bring home and get those down there. I need to move my fish that are at the shop here as well. I should have did it during the fall. It's gonna be hard with it being winter, but I'll have to figure it out. So hope you follow along with my new room journey. So happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you soon.